This is the entire Faroe Islands, and we're right here. Jen. Hi. Nauwi na. We go here. Look at that. Yeah. From up there. Little flowers. So we are like almost to the very edge, very end of the islands. Ay, nagmamaoy ang baby. Oh, there's more people up there. Yun, hiking. Who's that? Oh!
I was like, who's goodness?
I thought somebody's trapped and like
or
trying
someone
to
was saying, don't go.
don't go.
How behave. It's not really raining.
Like just sprinkling. Let me know if you see a mermaid, huh? Oh, that's gonna be slippery there.
Nice. It looks fake. Like we're on an amusement park. But the water there is clear. Like, it's pretty clean.
You see a mermaid somewhere? It looks like there's some boats coming here too, huh? If they have those stairs. Oh, the sun is up there on that side. Whee! Ganda. You just have to watch your step. It's very steep going up. Ayan.
At least we're burning the food.
Ayan.
Where did he go? I think he went there.
Oh, maybe there. Whew. Wow.
I wasn't expecting. Is that him going up?
Yes.
Probably.
With the phone on the other hand, yes.
Yeah,
It's him.
yes.
I can't even. Ay,
I didn't exercise.
I'm not that fit right now. Uy.
Oh, that's nice. There's like a split in the
Mhm.
mountain.
Oh yeah. That's all we're gonna hear on the video when we watch it. The panting.
Oh, we can see the rain there.
Oh yeah.
What is he doing?
He's being cinematic with the leaves. Small town. We have a church.
Hiring.
We made it. Whew.
Oh, it's over here. Very nice, huh? Okay, one, two, three. Come on. 1, 2, 3. No.
Green screen. I want.
Oh, they have a garden thing there.
Wala ito. Good thing you didn't go up there
Why?
because you love hiking.
yeah.
Ba, you
No, it was raining earlier, so we're like, what are we doing?
I could have hiked that one.
Mm-hmm. Where, the other side?
Yeah.
Huh?
go
You
around.
could have dropped me off and then see you tonight.
See,
You just knock the door there if you're hungry. Tell them you're hungry.
I'm kind of lost. Ooh. Actually, the weather is better here now. It was raining hard earlier, and we were thinking like, what are we doing? Buti na lang pinush kami ni Gwyneth na maglakad. because now there's actually a hidden gem. And ayun. Now that it stopped raining, this is actually a perfect weather per se, because it's breezy but not too cold. For some reason in Singapore where they live, it's colder. Here it's fine. I can tolerate this kind of cold weather here. So ayun ang ating mini trip. We actually went from the other villages as well earlier, but my absent-minded self forgot to take videos. So dito ko na na-realize wala pala akong vlog. Kaya ito na ang ating vlog. Ayan. So let's go back to the car and do more driving around. Around here, huh?
Supply something?
The only flower. Marami ka na ring friends dito, Gwyneth, or hindi? Yeah? Same age?
Opo, tapos meron din po yung iba-ibang.
Pero sa ibang village, like hindi doon kapitbahay. Oh, raining. Parang dito lang umuulan na, doon sa baba hindi. Ayan. It's raining around here. Closer to the main road. Pero doon sa cliff kanina, it was nice and cool. Ayan, malakas na naman dito. Ulan. Basa na naman. Sana. We're wet. But it's okay, we're having fun. Let's go. Whew, what a hike.